OFM Art Beat.
This morning in the OFM Art Beat, it is my absolute privilege to introduce you to Tony Luza. You're invited to their exhibition Because We Are, and it is on until the 20th of March at the NWU Gallery. Tony Luza joining us today. Tony, welcome to OFM.
Thank you for having me.
How do you approach an exhibition like this? It sounds very serious on humanness and mutual care.
Yes, I approach this type of exhibition with happiness, because it's one of African themes and our African culture. When it comes to African culture, something can unite Africa and something talk about our daily life. I'm always excited to go through it. So that's why we are really taking it serious.
A lot of the work that is featured in this exhibition, especially on your side, is layered textures and a lot of symbolism. What can viewers expect?
When it comes to the style or the way of presenting those works, my theme, or I can say my focus is almost most on the theme. I always targeting the theme because when the theme we spoke about the African gatherness, about something like Ubuntu. So that's how I came out with those type of theme or those type of composition which represents more our culture in Africa.
Is there a specific piece in this exhibition that stands out for you? That's your favorite? It's like asking for a favorite child. I'm sorry.
That's become a very difficult question to answer because all of them are like my children. You see, like to say this one. Although, if I look at, but it's difficult to tell you this one is my favorite. In art, it depends on people who are going to collect them, taking them to their home. They are the one who can judge that this one can work for my wall, this one can work for my house, and this is my favorite. But for me, I think all of them, I paint them with the same rhythm and the same energy. So it's difficult for me to choose which one is the best.
Tony, what is it like having to share the exhibition space with someone like Daniel Clady?
Yes, that is a friend of mine. We've been exhibiting for a long time. So that's how I chose him to be with him. And I know he's a great artist. Daniel Clady is one of our artists. We are together in one group called Artists Under the Sun, which is based here in Johannesburg. So it's one of the biggest group of artists here in South Africa. It's been existing for more than 50 years. So that's where I met Daniel. That's where I know how good he is. So we know that he have a different style than mine. Both of us, we're going to bring something really different and beautiful to see.
Tony, we're very excited to see your part in this exhibition as well. Thank you for taking the time to join me in the OFM Art Beat today.
You are welcome. It's my pleasure.
Tony Luza joins us in the OFM Art Beat. He's one of the artists, part of an exhibition titled Because We Are. It's on until the 20th of March at the NWU Gallery. You can also find these conversations and more details on the exhibition under lifestyle at ofm.co.za.
OFM Art Beat.